I wish to move that in the Elections Second Amendment Bill 2024, as reported by the Standing Committee, for Clause 4, the following shall be substituted, namely,
Law Minister.
insertion of Section 104A Act 2023 of 2017. In the said Act, after Section 104, the following new Section 104A shall be inserted, namely, 104A, consent for joining of political party by independent returned candidate to be irrevocable, etc. Notwithstanding anything contained in this Act or rules or any other law for the time being in force, or a judgment, decree or order of any court, including the Supreme Court and a High Court, the declaration, consent or affidavit by whatever name called of an independent returned candidate once given for joining a political party shall be irrevocable and cannot be substituted or withdrawn.
Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, do you oppose it?
No sir, I don't oppose it जी, ये लाइन है जो constitutional scheme और legal scheme है उसके
जी. Now I put the amendment as moved by Bilal Azhar Kiani and Zaib Jafar to the House. The question is that the amendment as moved be adopted. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think ayes have it. Consequently, an amendment is adopted. Now I put Clause 4 as amended to the House. The question is that Clause 4 as amended to stand part of the bill. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think ayes have it. Consequently, Clause 4 as amended stands part of the bill. Clause 1, preamble and short title. The question is that Clause 1, preamble and short title to stand part of the bill. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think ayes have it. So Clause 1, preamble and short title stand part of the bill.